Hey guys, it is me Stacy. I am back again today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Making a Monday project, and today we are all decked out for Halloween making these really fun tombstone boxes. You probably can't see it, but there are the letters RIP there. So we have that one there, this one here, then we have this one here. There are 5 total. I just chose to cut out the 3 that said RIP on them. All right, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this screen, we're going to go down to where it says Cricut Access and then click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says Cricut Access, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Halloween. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the word Tombstone. Then click on Enter. And the project we are making is this one here. It's the Halloween Tombstone Party. Go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window. Click on Customize. Now it does make 4. I only cut out 3 of them. Oh, I'm sorry, it cuts out 5. So I already went and cut that one out. I did not cut this one or this one. And I already went ahead and cut that one out. So I'm just going to cut the one. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. Now you know you will need the scoring tool as well as the marker to draw on the letters RIP. I'm going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and put our box together. Alright guys, here we are with our last tombstone cutouts. I'm going to go ahead and take my bone folder, finger press on the score marks first just to get them started. Okay, and then don't forget the little side flaps there. Just give everything a really good crease. Now we're going to grab our glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from Made It. And just go ahead and put glue on the flaps. Now if you want to first, you could assemble this and use these little pieces here, then put your box up. I'm not using that little piece here, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue the flaps in. But if you're going to use that little lid piece, assemble that part first. I'm going to take my bone folder and just go there and rub on that piece there. Oh, I think I made it undone. The flap is so little, you really need to be patient with it. And you guys know I'm not very patient. Make sure your glue goes all the way to the folded edge. These are really cute. These would be fun. You know, you can eliminate the RIP on there. You can put the kids' names on them if you want to. And there's all kinds of things you can put on a tombstone. It'd be really cute for a table setting. A little treat you can see in here, I have my candy corn in there. And I mentioned before how I love candy corn, but this year I'm not really loving it that much. And again, I'm going to go in there with my bone folder and just crease on that edge, that little flap there. And we have our last one right here. And I just used the silver marker. This one here, I think it came with the Cricut Explorer, that marker. But you can get all fancy and use any marker you like. Alright, that is all assembled. Now since I'm not using these 2 pieces, I'm just going to go ahead and put glue on them and then fold them down. Okay, now to distress it, what I did is I just took a pair of scissors on the very front and just kind of roughed it up a little bit. Just so it didn't look so new. There we go. Okay, and take whatever candy you like. I just have candy corn, these little pouches. I'm going to put them in there. So there we have that one there. You probably can't see the RIP, but it is there. We have that one. We have this one here. And also this one here. You can see the RIP when you kind of angle it a little bit, but if I were to do it again, I'd probably do it in like a black marker or a different marker that would show it better. But anyway, guys, there you have it, our Make It On Monday project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.